So I made breakfast this morning. I made some English muffins, which I didn't actually make from scratch, but we get good ones from our produce box, which we also got the strawberries. We actually ended up talking to the farm at the farmer's market yesterday, where we got these strawberries that are grown outside, but with sort of a tunnel cover thing. It was very interesting. The pecans that we spent so much time cracking and shelling this morning, I roasted them with butter and salt. I will link that recipe up above. Some fried eggs and some bacon. So we just spent an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, cleaning up all of the vines and dead stuff off of our fence, and the tomatoes that were sort of right there and right there. And that's what we spent a good portion of our day, well, the productive portion of our day doing. So we spent a lot of time outside today, and I wanted all the help I could have. So I defrosted some chicken and grabbed a butter chicken simmer sauce that I had in the cupboard, made some basmati rice, roasted some broccoli, and that is going to be dinner for tonight. I know it feels like I don't cook much at all, but really, I swear I do, mostly. Right. So we don't have a whole lot of footage for today, but I'm gonna open up our Scotch whiskey advent calendar for day 4. And we have a 4-year-old Speyside from Linkwood. I think it was Linkwood, yeah. Linkwood Distillery, and it was from First Fill Port Casks, which is darker than yesterday's. Yesterday was pretty light. Apparently we get to try a couple from this distillery, so so I'm gonna take a little sip and let you know what I think. It smells good. It smells not super peaty or smoky. A little sweet. Yep, fruity, sweet. They say we should taste rich malt. Certainly get that. Currants, mixed currants, and sweet spice. And I think that's pretty accurate. I like it. It's not super burny, which is great. If you enjoyed watching this, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you tomorrow.